Bullish Jasmy coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 6 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Jasmy could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the web of things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the digital currency market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. In any case, with this ceaseless development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a majority rules government at a high worth and expects to go about as a delegate for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential, individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded conjectures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise twisting? And what's the cost estimate for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets in this manner, enhancing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the hell. This symbolic serves an immense scope of issues and purposes. As per Jasmy coin's white paper, in a digitalized world, people don't just go about as clients who partake in the comfort of IoT gadgets, yet in addition as information suppliers who produce various sorts of information around their living climate. We accept that the responsibility for information will have a place with the actual people, not to an incorporated company. The coin was sent off first in Tokyo, Japan, before significant trades recorded it, and thusly viewed as the primary authority Japanese crypto coin and controlled by the nation's administration. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the foundation and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to construct it as Global Space Record Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivations of Filecoin as its auxiliary. The advantage it offers to an individual is that you're accountable for your information and its utilization case, offering it to whomever you pick. Jasmy's organization will probably act as a reliable stage for clients and organizations that utilization their foundation and guarantee that its situation in the market can in any case take care of one of the first concern issues of modern times. Where could I at any point purchase Jasmy coin? Jasmy can be exchanged on significant digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, Bybit, BitGet, Huobi, Gate.io, Qcoin, and numerous others. Jasmy coin major information investigation and organizations. Since creation by a group of Sony leaders are viewed as experts of gadgets, mechanics, broadcast communications, gadgets, framework mixes, and plans on their site. In Tokyo, Jasmy has been making one organization or the other to stay aware of the convergence of new clients and grow their computerized region and importance. Jasmy applications. Jasmy applies to on-chain exchanges as it gives a stage to people and organizations to move tokens involving computerized gadgets as confirmation of significant worth trade or installment for administration. Jasmy is applied to move tokens later or during an exchange as installment for administrations presented on the convention. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, SiloCentralPay, a SenseNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and incorporated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasmy likewise fills in as a foundation that empowers information trade among organizations as they plan to fabricate an extraordinary period of data. This multitude of utilizations referenced above show that the utilization instance of Jasmy both on-chain and in reality is serious areas of strength for that interest in the token won't disappear yet rather increment after some time. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise venture portfolio, be that as it may. This isn't monetary guidance as you're encouraged to do all necessary investigation. Jasmy coin current cost. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0. JASMY has moved 2.59% as of now with an exchanging volume of $41,939,175. Jasmy coin is as of now positioned 470 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $31,092,637 USD. From every one of the specialized devices that have been applied to the JASMY graph, it either showed a negative position or an impartial one. Most day-to-day and week-after-week outstanding moving midpoints and straightforward moving midpoints gave negative signs. Nonetheless, the volume-weighted moving normal and the structure moving normal gave purchase signals. The trepidation and ravenousness list for Jasmy coin can saw underneath. Jasmy coin value expectation 2022. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The JASMY cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. In 2023, Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the JASMY's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 2 cents and JASMY might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 2 cents and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Jasmy coin value expectation 2025. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2025. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, JASMY has a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 4 cents. In the event that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 4 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help JASMY needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. While JASMY is in